What is that right there? Oh.
You already know? You already know?
Some dry ice.
Oh, that's not good.
Very smart. Make sure, guys, to wear gloves. Don't use your hand. Oh my gosh, that's cold.
It's cold, huh?
Holy crap, that's cold. That's cold, bro.
Bro, it's like hard. It's like sticky.
Oh, that's cold. Oh my gosh, dude. Use a hammer. You realize we have to pick this up and put it back in the bag, right?
Oh my.
Right? Don't, not to two small pieces, because we still have to pick it up. So, we need it to fucking last, bro. We have a whole car. You hear it?
Yeah.
It's freezing the fucking...
So now this is the stuff that we get to play with.
So you can hear it popping and cracking. Once you move some dry ice over to the next spot, you should be able to hammer. And so now, if I could take the hammer, just whack the spot. There we go.
Or if you're like me, you can just hit it.
Oh, yeah. Pretty much. Just move the ice over. But we still need to reuse it. Alright.
Try that.
You can smack it harder, bro. There it goes. There it goes. Yeah, there it goes. Yeah. Once we're done with all that, we need to weigh it, of course, but...
Try that. I didn't really hit back there on the edge.
So we're starting with the back seat. Rear trunk is about done. So it's not too bad. We're starting with the back seats now. With the rear end of the car. And we'll see how it goes. Yeah. So right now we just vacuumed the whole passenger seat. And just took out the driver's seat over there. Got the rear all out. Trunk is looking pretty good. Now we're about to hit this. You might need to open up the second bag. Is it good enough?
You need to blow stronger. Like, blow against it. No, like, turn it 90 degrees.
Like that?
Yeah, now blow across the top of it.
Alright. No, just, I'm gonna pump it in. Oh. Alright, so we got the dry ice right here.
What if I told you I missed that?
Hold on, bro. You gotta make sure you break that, alright? Hey, remember, guys, that was my phone. Or, no, that was your phone.
My phone's in my pocket.
Remember, guys, use gloves. Use gloves. You gotta break it in small pieces. And just
Bro, I know your foot's cold.
let it sit there. Yeah. So now we got the cooler here, basically. Look at that. Frozen. Yeah. all this ice over. There she goes. See, it's the ice.
Interesting.
Everything that's in the trunk, you're gonna put it on the scale for us? We're right at 0. You can just put it on. You can just put it on the scale. 5 pounds for the rear.
That's including.
Well, that's yeah. Well, it's almost at 6 though.
So we'll call it 5 pounds.
Yeah, because it's right at 6. It's right past 5. All right,
Right.
bucket's about a pound. Cool. All right, this is the driver's side. It's fun. No, it's the same thing. See, look. See that? Look at that. Right after 5, bro. That's the other stuff we threw away.
Looking at it.
We're at about 9 pounds. This is the rear and the passenger. In the seatbelt cut. This guy.
There's that.
All that right there is the seatbelt stuff. Right now we're at 10 pounds with the seatbelt. There's handles over there.
Doesn't mean anything to me.
I guess so. Soon we're gonna replace this top glass with plexiglass. So. All right, so here we have mostly seat belts, and then just some sticker wire. All that weighs a solid 13 pounds, 14.